If you've been injured in a slip and fall accident, chances are you're asking yourself one big question: what kind of settlement can I expect? That's a fair question, and while there's no one-size-fits-all answer, understanding what influences a payout can give you a much clearer idea of what's ahead. Let's walk through it. First up is the severity of your injury. The more serious the injury, the higher the potential settlement. We're talking about things like broken bones, head trauma, or anything that affects your long-term health or ability to work. If you're dealing with major medical treatment or permanent disability, that's going to carry more weight than something like a sprain or bruise. Next is medical treatment costs. Everything from doctor visits and surgeries to physical therapy and long-term care plays a role here. If you've got future medical expenses on the horizon, those may be included too. So it's crucial to keep everything documented. Every bill, every appointment, every recommendation. It all counts. Lost wages are another big factor. If your injury has kept you from working or changed your ability to do your job, especially if it's a physical job, you could be compensated for that income loss. This also includes the potential impact on your future earnings. Now, let's talk liability. If the property owner was clearly at fault, that strengthens your case. Evidence like photos, witness statements, or maintenance records can make a huge difference. But if you were partly at fault, that could reduce your settlement based on comparative negligence. Another factor is insurance coverage. If the property owner has solid insurance, there may be more funds available to cover your costs. But if they're uninsured or underinsured, it could limit what you're able to recover. And be cautious. Insurance companies may offer a quick payout, but it may not reflect the full value of your claim. This is where a good attorney really matters. There's also the impact on your quality of life. If your injury has caused long-term pain, emotional distress, or made it hard to enjoy your usual activities, that's something that can be factored in. This includes everything from chronic pain to mental health effects to your ability to take care of daily tasks. And finally, your medical history plays a role. If you've had similar injuries before, the other side might argue this one wasn't caused by the fall. But if this is a brand new injury or it clearly aggravated a past issue, your attorney can help prove that. So, what's the average payout for a slip and fall injury? Well, it depends on all of this. There's no universal number, but working with the right legal team can make sure you don't leave money on the table. At BDIW Law, we offer 24/7 legal support, and you won't pay a dime unless we win your case. Our team is experienced, dedicated, and ready to fight for the compensation you deserve. Schedule your consultation today, and let's talk about your case.